Welcome back to Gagne Farms. This is Candace and Eric, and today we're going to be
starting seeds.
Yesterday we received a package in the mail that we were pretty excited about. Here it is. Thank you, Vanna.
What could it be?
I don't know. What could it be?
I don't know. What's the return address say?
It says M.I. Gardener, which is our theme today.
Boom.
We're going to do an unpackaging of what we received from M.I. Gardener.
Okay, hey, let's open this up and see what we got.
All right, here we go. You ready?
Yep.
You want to be part of it?
Yeah, let's do this
Okay.
together. You totally blew it. Way ahead of me. Okay.
Sorry.
What we got in there?
All right. We have cucumbers.
All right, let's set them out. Need them, got them, need them, got them. Need them, got them.
Cucumbers. Roma tomatoes.
Ooh.
Carrots. More Roma tomatoes.
I wonder what kind of tomatoes we're going to grow this year.
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Should I organize them by color?
Yeah.
Zucchini. Oh, you can't even see that in the shot.
No.
I'm sorry.
Keep throwing it at the other end of the table.
Let my zucchini run away from me. Oh, now they're not my color. And our receipt.
Oh.
Radishes, go in the red. Onions. Pumpkins. Peppers. Pepperoncini.
Pepperoncinis.
Pepperoncini.
I call them pepperoncinis.
Pepperoncinis. Sweet peppers. Hungarian yellow wax peppers. Big red sweet peppers. Jalapeno peppers.
Here's one left.
One more. And it would be another cucumber.
Nice. So we've never used M.I. Gardener before, but we've read up a lot, and yeah, we found that they got really good reviews, really great price on these. They're only 99 cents a pack, so with all the good reviews, good price, we're gonna give it a shot. We always like to buy from somebody local too, so it's just down the road about a piece. So we're gonna give it a shot, and we'll let you know, throughout the season what we think. So what else?
Thank you, M.I. Gardener.
What she said. Boom.
Today we're trying to stay positive, and we hope all of you are healthy and staying positive out there too. We couldn't think of anything better and more positive and more hopeful to do than to plant.
Plant.
We couldn't think of anything more hopeful to do than to plant a garden. So we're going to get ours started for the year.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video today, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. It really helps us out a lot here at Gagne Farms.
We laid out the containers that we're going to use to plant in, and we laid out the packets that we're going to plant in each kind of container just to kind of get an idea of what we're doing. So we have our onions and some sweet peppers up here in our larger flat. And we have our tomatoes that we're planting in these. We've got 4 of these that we're going to plant our Roma tomatoes in. And then we've got some of these green containers that we're planting some of the other peppers in, and some of our...
What kind of peppers are those?
These are jalapeno peppers. And we're going to do Hungarian wax peppers in the green containers. We're going to do pepperoncini in the green containers. And we have some sweet bell peppers we're going to do in the green containers. Then we have some other different types of sweet peppers we're going to do in these white ones. And we have some more pepperoncinis over here.
Haha, I really like pepperoncinis. And we'll switch that one out.
Well, Eric says that they're not hot, but this package says hot. So I'm not sure if they're different, or I'm not real sure about that.
So basically we're starting all of our peppers and our tomatoes right now. We're about 8 weeks out from our frost date here. So we're going to try to get all this stuff going real good before we get it in the ground. The other thing we're using today is, this is our seed starting mix. It's Dairy Dew. It's a Michigan made brand of compost they make a little further north here, and we really like, you know, using anything made in Michigan, like our Am I Gardener seeds and our made in Michigan Dairy Dew compost. So I've never used this before. I've read really good reviews on it. We're going to give it a shot and see what happens. Okay, now we got some Roma tomatoes here that we're gonna plant. We picked Romas because, well, that's what we eat a lot of. So last year we had about 25 different varieties and we couldn't eat them all. So this year we're gonna try to stick with our gardening a little bit more specific. So we're gonna just plant a few peppers that we eat a lot of and we really like and we do good with. Same thing with tomatoes here. So we're gonna do our Roma tomatoes.
Look at that, you get a sneak peek at our potatoes too.
Ooh, potatoes.
So we got our microgreens, we got our peppers, we got our tomatoes. The fuller my greenhouse gets, the fuller my heart gets. I'm so excited. What do you have to say about it, baby?
Well, we'll see. We can grow stuff really good in the greenhouse in the kitchen, but wait till we set it outside and we have to contest with the deer and the rabbits and the chipmunks. And
we make a very good married couple.
we're not even married. What are you talking about?
We got the optimist and the pessimist. Somewhere in the middle we even each other out.
Well, tell them about the garden last year.
What garden? The one that got eaten by all the deer and the rabbits? Skunks? Possums? Bunnies? Yeah, our wildlife around here was fed really well. So, like I told Eric at the end of the garden season, we better reap what we sowed in venison, which we did. We do have some venison in our freezer, so it was well-fed venison out of our garden.
Tasted just like a pumpkin.
Thanks for joining us on Gagne Farms today for planting day. It was a happy day for us. We hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below. Please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.
Big thumbs up. Hey guys, we really appreciate you guys sticking around, and we're gonna give you some more updates here throughout the season. We'll wait, till we get some germination going on, and we'll give you another update video here. Plus, we got more things to plant. And we're gonna expand our garden, I think, a little bit this year too. So, might have a video or two on that. So, stick around. As always, thanks for hanging with us at Gagne Farms.
Our people ready
There you got it.
Oh, that's so sweet. They're sweet peppers. Saucy.
Welcome back to Gagne Farms. This is Candace and Eric, and today we are going to be
Starting seeds.